Her her head is right here. Look.
Her head is right here.
Mm-hmm. Push it in.
Mommy, but I have to fix it. Okay.
Take your time.
Okay. I did it.
Oh, try again.
Okay.
You gotta make sure you put it all the way in. Oh.
Mommy, can you
Come
help
on, no,
me?
you do it. Here, I'll hold the dolly. You put the head on. Yeah. In the hole.
Help me.
No, come on, try again. That's fine. Sometimes it takes a little while, right? Push it in. You gotta push it in.
Mommy,
Elle, take the head. Put it on again. No, aye! You just broke the body.
I just broke
Wait.
the body.
Here.
But her body's right here.
Mm-hmm. Put the body back on.
Okay. Body back on because I'm putting.
Push it in tight. Good job. Now let me hold the body. And you get the head.
And the hair.
Just the head for now. Let's do the head first. Make sure she's looking at you. You gotta push.
Mommy,
Push it down. Now push it down. Push, push, push. Come on. Push, push down. Like you're pressing a button. Yeah, again, again.
Okay.
Again. There you go. Beautiful. Now put that hair on.
But I have to
Push it in like a button, remember? You pushed it in, you gotta push it down.
push it
Like
down,
a button.
Like a button. I
Good job. Look at that.
but she
Very
has
nice.
To, but she
My
gets,
little Lego expert.
but mommy, we down.